జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓ రామా, all the elephants, lions, tigers, wild, big, huge animals also will not cause any kind of harm to you. O Rama, here I will be doing all the pujas with the power of these pujas, with the power of all my prayers. All the people, all the devatas, Brahaspati, Chandra, Surya, Kubera, Yama, everyone will be always alert in protecting you, Rama. Whenever you are getting to do snanam, whenever you are getting to do Sandhya Vandanam, there will be Agni, Vayu, and also your Astra Balam will be protecting you all the time, Rama. Because of the prayers that I am offering here, may Brahma, Narayana, Devata, all of them be always protecting you. O Rama, like this Kausalya Devi spontaneously with outpouring affection and also with kind of so much of concern, she started offering prayers and also demanding and commanding protection from each and every divine entity to Sri Ramachandra Swami. After doing all this, Kausalya Devi now started inviting all the priests, all the great acharyas and great scholars, and having them doing all great powerful pujas, prayers. And Kausalya Devi getting to coordinate all kind of yajnas, homas, immediately started over there for the welfare of, for well-being of Rama. There has been so many, all priests and all great acharyas came and started doing their mantra pathanam. Kausalya Devi thinking that with the vibrations created by this Veda mantra pathanam, those vibrations will be protecting her son Rama in each and every aspect and respect, and in all the times and at all circumstances. Like this, Kausalya Devi trying to do each and everything for well-being of Rama, and also offering great, huge, generous gifts and dakshinas to all the Brahmanottamas and Acharyas. Then again Kausalya Devi saying to Rama that Rama, may there be great level of success to you as and how there was a success to Indra when he is going to kill Vritrasura. May there be great amount of high level amount of protection bestowed to you, just like as and how Vinata conferred protection to her son Garutman. O Rama, as and how Vamana, when he goes to Bali, Vamana, how much ever great amount of success that he got, there will be same amount of success to you, O Rama. Like that Kausalya Devi said, and again got a beautiful, powerful medicinal herb called Visalyakarani, and she had all the great acharyas do puja to that herb, and with the power invoked herb, now Kausalya Devi tying that kankanam, raksha kankanam to the arm of Rama. Like this, Kausalya Devi making sure that all the protection is conferred to Sri Ramachandra Swami. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.